up guys? So yeah, 3 rods are in, so I think I'm only gonna fish 3 rods as it's not very much space, and apparently this dam is gonna be full. There's some guys across us that side, and then next to me there's 4 stands on my side and 3 stands are booked. So yeah, I'm fishing the margins here. There's a small tree there. I just dropped around about there to sow 1 scoop of feed over there. This nice wildlife. It's freaking cold, 8 degrees. Started a bonfire, it's starting to light up. Yeah, very nice. Oh, we're back again. We are not at the Specimen Lake now. We are at the Papgooi side venue. There's a restaurant here and a cold swimming pool, super tube. This is the hot water swimming pool. They say it's 27 degrees. So yeah, very, very clean and nice. Hey! Kinders swem lekker, almal is happy. Hulle gaan nou 'n bietjie pad jol. Ja, net daai een karp opgetel vanoggend. Baie beautiful. Dit lyk soos 'n baster tussen 'n kooi en 'n karp. Die foto's sal gelaai word. Baie mooi karpie. Ja.
Soos die Orbi baan. Die Orbi Guns skiet.
En dan Orbi Guns het hulle ook hierso wat jy skiet. Dit is daai jelly balletjie guns. Lekker Orbi skietbaantjie. Pad en goed is aan die ander kant, dan is die super tube, maar daai gaan ons nou nie try nie. Ons het genoeg koud gekry. So ja, lekker man. Dit is 'n baie lekker plek. Daar sê, hier is ons nou by die padbaan. Kinders gaan bietjie pad speel. Lekker irritasie vang. Ek sal eerder vis vang. Ja, heel oulike padbaan en dan hierna gaan hulle daai Orbi Guns, jelly balletjies en hulle bietjie mekaar teiken in die bos. Ja, en dan hoop hulle kan pappa weer bietjie gaan fish. Lekker man. And here I had to put the sounds because the kids were going crazy, shouting, guns firing, so yeah, enjoy. How's it guys? Hope everyone enjoyed this Saturday. Yeah, it's been quiet today. And I got the rods back in at 2 o'clock. And then 2:30 I got a run again on this margin rod by that small tree there. Got a good run, picked it up, it was on and boom, off again. So yeah, dropped it back in place again. Ja, en nou wag ons. Hopelijk kan ons nog so 2 raakpak deur die aand. Die manne daar aan die oorkant daar by eiland drop, hulle nog niks gekry nie. En daai kant regs, daai kant toe ook niks. So ja. Gaan nou bietjie koelsies maak en eet. Ja, lekker man. Kan ons het lekker orbigans gejol, so bietjie sal die video's opsit hierso. Die Wildheid kom lekker water drink daarso. Ja, net lekker rustig. Vandag was daar nie so koud soos gister, né? Ek voel dit begin nou weer lekker koel raak, maar is niks wind nie. Niks nie. So klein ligte windjie. Baie fyn, maar is lekker. Alright. En sien ek julle seker weer in die oggend. Môre. Jo, Sondagoggend 6:30. Dis daarom 'n mooi 8 middag gekry hierdie aand. Sal vir julle nou wys as die sonnetjie mooi opkom. Verder is dit maar stil. Die vis draai alweer mooi vanoggend. Ons kan enige tyd nog so 1 of 2 geraak slaan. Ja, yes, baie lekker. Sonnetjie kom maar op agter die berg. Water lyk baie mooi. My pa sommer 'n papgooi stokkie opgeriek met pineappelmielies en ja, trek hy stok weg. Ja, mooi dik midder PB vir hom. So, om net kry om na te gooi. Sjap julle. Yeah, good morning guys. So yeah, gonna close off this video. For the weekend we had 4 runs, 3 fish. Biggest was that 8.8 mirror. So yeah, quiet weekend. The guys on our right only caught 1 small 3 kilogram fish. But yeah, what an awesome weekend. Today the sun is out, it's hot early. So if we could just stay 1 more night, but yeah, it's like that. So yeah, quickly bringing the kids back to swim a little bit, getting something to chow, and then off home. Don't know where we're going next, but for sure maybe Rodokoppies or Donnies again. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Gonna be doing much more. Still new to this, but thanks for the support. And yeah, let's have a quick look again and then we're gonna close it off. Ciao guys.